It's a good thing you got that Wi-Fi chip. You haven't put your phone down.
Oh, shut the fuck up. The fuck I have. You've been on your phone this entire time.
Hiking to a glacier. We literally just left the waterfall. I don't know the name of it because I can't pronounce anything in this country, but we left the waterfall and then it's like 5 miles away for the glacier and it's over there. Here we go. Rolling to the glacier. The glacier. We need to get some water from the glacier. Every corner has something. Every turn has something. Always around the bend, there is something to look at in Iceland. Like, here is a glacier. We don't see those every day because they're melting in the USA, but not up here. Absolutely love flying this thing. I think it's 4 miles, so it'll be 8-mile round trip. It's not much, but it will do. What do you think? Is it okay?